The nickel titanium arch wires. Today we will discuss the importance of the nickel titanium arch wires. The major application of the nickel titanium arch wire is the orthodontic application, or you can say characteristics of the nickel titanium arch wire is the super elasticity as well as shape memory effect. These both unique characteristics makes the most important material used in orthodontics for the alignment of the tooths on different stages. We can carry out the orthodontic treatment in different stages. So here it's very important to differentiate the conventional or commercial nickel titanium arch wires and aged nickel titanium arch wires. So normally for the sake of orthodontic treatment or for the sake of optimum tooth force, which is around 1 Newton to 1.2 Newton, it is the optimal range of orthodontic force. So for this purpose we use solution treatment at the temperature of 900 centigrade or above the 900, so 920 in argon furnace by using titanium powder. For the standard operating conditions of the solution treatment, you run the argon gas from the control room. When argon gas flows, you must make sure the flow rate should be around 50 ml per minute or 100 ml per minute. After that, we will close it. Here I want to mention why we use the titanium powder. There is a specific reason to use the titanium powder, because when at such a high temperature we put the nickel titanium arch wires in the argon furnace, there is definitely some space of the leakage, some space of the you can say entrance of the oxygen in the argon furnace, which produces titanium oxide layer on the nickel titanium arch. So to avoid this layer, we use the titanium powder. So if you perform the argon furnace experiment, we use a ceramic boat where we will put the nickel titanium arch wires by separating some slot for the titanium powder. So the titanium powder absorb the, or you can say react the oxygen and to save the nickel titanium arch wires. And by using controller setting, we set the temperature. Here I want to mention that T1 temperature as indicated on the controller or as indicated in the manual of the argon furnace is as C01. That is the basically temperature T1. We consider it T1, and temperature T2 or C02 we consider 920. So there is a standard formula for time T1. How much time T1 required to reach the temperature 920 centigrade. T1 is equal to temperature T2 minus temperature T1 divided by 10, because we know that heating and cooling rate is 10 centigrade per minute. So 920 minus 40, it's mean 880 centigrade divided by 10. So 88 minutes requires to reach the temperature from 40 centigrade to 920. So you can set the temperature T1 is 88 minutes. Similarly, as per requirement, if you interested to do your session treatment on 920 for 20 minutes, so your time T2 is 920, and T3 mean here temperature T3, like C03 we set same 920, because our requirement is that our specimen should be heated on uniformly at 920 centigrade for 20 minutes. So T2 is time 2 is 22 and temperature T3 is 920 centigrade, and temperature time T3 should be minus 121, which is inbuilt in the organ furnace. So after setting the temperature and time values, we press the key run. You have taken around 30 to 50 seconds. Press continuously the click of the run. When it starts, then you leave it. So after 88 minutes your temperature will reach around 920 centigrade. Then you will open the organ furnace with the help of screw. And put the ceramic board where nickel titanium arch wires, and again tight it. So for 20 minutes it heated. So then you again open, and with the help of you can say for the safety you use any tweezer. Put the wires into the water bench for the purpose of the quenching, and this is the solution treatment.